us on us. Living like the videos, writing treatment on us. Stuck in the hood like they pour semen on us. Ghetto birds still shitting on us. Government still quitting on us. Lost a few homies, and the grief still sitting on us. So we got their names written on us. White folks still spitting on us. And them bitch ass police J9s still gripping on us.
Pera, Bia, tô filmando, neguinho!
Oh, the bitch still hitting on us. I remember well, Beezy roll the L. Beezy ain't here. Where's Beezy at? Beezy got killed. And that was my nigga. I go way back with my nigga. But I know that's how it happened.
Meu irmão, a gente andando de longe, olha o visu, brother. Olha que loucura, meu irmão. Porra, que isso?
I must make it happen. So I'ma play the captain. Sailboat slapping, my nigga. No fingers, I'm snapping.
Olha o visu aí, ó. Olha o visu.
Even though we couldn't, the Lord saved them. Last time we seen him was when Katrina hated. Found the body like a month later. Rest in peace, boy. He was an East boy, and so was Wesley West. He was a good nigga, so I know he blessed. And his daughter is a princess. This shit is harder than a bench press. But I'ma keep going. And I swear I got a love in my throat. But I'ma keep on pumping the flow. So if I cry, don't stop the beat. I feel like my heart just stopped the beat. My nigga Lil Derek was quick to cop the key. Either that or load the daddy, go pop a G. And because of that, he's just a name in the rhyme of mine. I pray his family and his mama's fine. So much shit just sit on this mind of mine. I think about it all the time. I drink about it all the time. I smoke back to back. Cause if my thoughts got to me, I'd be in this rap. I'd be in the can. Thank God I had dreams of being a man. Yeah, and fuck a man with a badge. Cause he ain't shit to a man